Are you looking forward to add contacts on WhatsApp? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application WhatsApp. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, click on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, in the section of search name or number, place the number that you want to save as a contact on WhatsApp. If the number got WhatsApp account, then it will be shown to you. All you gotta do is click on it. Now tap on their profile or number at the very top of the screen. In order for you to add and save, click on Create New Contact. Enter a name suitable for this person, and then tap on Done at the top right corner. Once you click on Done, the WhatsApp contact will be added on your WhatsApp account. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.